And this is pretty much the home screen of the application. So once you open it, you'll be able to pretty much scroll and look for the drama series that you want to watch. Although this application is not for my country, I'll be still able to give you a tutorial on this application here. So once you open it, you'll be bombarded with a lot of drama series. But what you have to do, you can either scroll in the For You section and look for series that you want to watch, or you can go in the home section here and be able to choose whichever drama series you want to watch. Although you don't have any search option, you can search for what you want, but you can pretty much scroll and look for what you want. But there's not much on the application for you to watch. It's very few shows. Anyways, so once you have found the drama series that you want to watch, for example, this one here, and make sure it adds there and two. So it may show an ads there and two. As you can see here, this is the first episodes, but it's not showing for me. But as you can see here, once you do, so that's pretty much it. Well, anyways, once you go in the For You section, you'll be able to watch see all the episodes. You can tap on that option and you'll be able to see all the episodes. But based on how much ads I'm seeing right now, it's gonna be very hard for me to get into that section. But it's not really showing for me because it's not loaded from my country, so I won't be able to show you guys that section here. But anyways, as you can see here, a lot of ads. So if you're thinking about using this application here, ads free, that's not gonna happen. You're gonna see a lot of ads with this application here. But anyways, I'm just go back real quick. So I'm gonna go home section here, can go over here, profile option, I'll be able to see all the movies in my watch history that you have watched on this application. Do keep in mind, you do not have any subscription for this application, so you can remove the ads that, as you guys can see, a lot of ads. So you don't have any ads as removal or subscription or gems for the episodes. Everything is completely free, but do keep in mind, you're going to watch a lot. So that's only known for this application here. But otherwise, very decent application. And with all of you guys, make sure you subscribe, you know, fish well. See you in the next one.